Today is Mother's Day. Babe, bili na tayo flowers.
Saan?
Yan. This heat is insane! We just came from church and after magla-lunch kami.
Okay po.
Happy Mother's Day po, tita! Happy Mother's Day po! Bye-bye! Happy Mother's Day!
Dito ka pa bumili.
Sa amin yan. Hi guys! We're here sa San Rafael, Bulacan.
Heritage 179.
My outfit.
Okay.
What can you say?
Mid.
Sabihin mo kapag right now. Oops!
Oh, play ka. Mauna na. Kaliwa ka na. Kaliwa ka. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay na. Full kabig. Huwag ka muna abante. Full kabig. Yan. Sige, full kabig. Okay. Kaliwa. Kaliwa.
My car.
Okay na. Diyan sila. Okay, punta ka doon.
Anak ko lang matangkad.
Ah?
20,000. Nakabili ka alam mo, Brother's Day. Nabi, si tatay na muna, be.
Happy Mother's Day sa mga taong hindi nagtitiwala sa anak nila. Who's ready?
We are. Lord. Ayun na, rough road na. So guys, rough road. Hindi na kami dumaan dun sa pinakaunang rough road. Eh, yan.
This is not so rough.
My God naman, grabe naman. Sobrang rough rin ng driving. Ano ba yan? Sulit ang patrol.
Sandali lang, bawal sa kanan.
Ang rough naman ng driver
Sa ikaw
pa.
ang tawag.
Uy, stop!
Wala.
Wala ba?
May malaking bato sa kanan ha.
Kaliwa.
Pakiramdam
Dito
na.
free go.
Go. Kaliwa. Kabig agad. Nice. So we made it. So we've had 89 bangga attempts. As in, gusto niya talaga mang bangga, kaya attempts.
Lahat ay babanggain. School ka na ba? Next year?
Mag-i-school ka na daw?
Ano papalit ka pa dito? Uy, ang ganda ng moon!
Baka magpupush off.
Ah.
1, 2, 3,
Uy, ang haba.
5. Guys, wala ka pa sa gitna. And then, guys, nandito na. 5. Nakaka-5 na ako. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Officially, neck.
One-third.
Neck level na ako. Neck level. 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13. Mga 20 na dipa. Ay na ganun.
Wow.
Tapos ito officially, lubog na ako.
Wow, oh my gosh, oo nga.
Tapos doon ang lalim pa.
Super lalim na doon.
Oh my gosh, this is like an ocean. This is ocean vibes.
Ano?
Scuba dive here.
Ano?
Somebody gave me a shark.
This is the kiddie pool.
Bro.
Perfect.
This is so OA. Lubog na.
Help,
Okay guys, so.
please. Ganun.
Tapos doon yung ano.
JC, super lubog ka na dito. Oh, akala ko, yung ganun niya is dito.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga, nung may tubig. Ang laki talaga guys, I swear.
Ang goal is lap pool lang talaga.
Bro, this is like, para alam niyo yung mga nasa baba ng mga kondo. Ito guys yung, ano tawag dito? Cabana.
Akala namin, yung haba niya.
Malawak rin pala talaga. Bonfire is crazy, bro. Nowadays, bonfire is crazy nowadays.
B-O-N-E.
Ay, mas malalas.
Burn fire naman to.
Kala ko nga.
Kumbaga, sure ball na umayapoy eh.
Aba. This is our dinner. Yempo and egg. Simpleng handaan sa araw ng mga nanay. Mga ina. Ina niyo. Mo.
Or booze. Diba? Kasi
trying to catch 10K steps. I've been walking for 1 hour. It's about drive. It's about power. So I actually have a lot to do today. I'm gonna walk first for 3,000 steps because I've been trying to hit 10K steps every day. After, take a bath, get ready. I'm gonna film my homework, go to the gym, edit a vlog, and then do my homework again. It's a jam-packed day. I know parang ang onti niya lang pero time-consuming siya. I'm just gonna watch Black Mirror while so this is a health shop. Meron siyang carrots, orange, lemon, ginger, turmeric. And it's massive. For breakfast, I'm gonna have tortilla with century tuna and mozzarella. So lately, I've also been putting chia seeds sa water ko. I'm gonna watch Modern Family while eating my tortilla, century tuna, mozzarella. Wait! I cooked that. I cooked.
Again, honey. Have you seen Margaret? I need her.
Greek yogurt with honey. That's it. Breakfast is over. I mean, let me ask the audience. So, medyo change of plans. Actually, I'm kinda torn kung ano yung una kong dapat gawin. Filming ba nun for my project or mag-gym. Iniisip ko, mag-gym na lang ako muna. Tapos, kasi mamayang gabi pag uwi. Sulik. So, ang gagawin ko na, okay, biglaan, nakahanap ako ng ticket for volleyball mamayang finals, UAAP. DLSU versus NU. Actually, hindi naman ako super fan ng volleyball. Kaso yung friend ko si Rain, cheerleader siya. Ano yung tawag doon? Cheer. Anima squad siya. Hindi ko pa siya napapanood nung I am going to support her and witness her cheer. Ooh, she gave me love and affection. Baby, did I mention? So ano, mag-gym ba muna ako? Or filming muna? Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko na kasi makaalis ng 3 p.m. 12 na. Pag nag-gym ako, 1 hour 30. I think gym na lang. I'm just waiting for my Grab. I just can't wait to finally have driver's license na so I can drive myself to the gym. At hindi na magsayang sa Grab. Imagine yung Grab ko, 165 papunta. And then pabalik pa. Sayang! Super sayang. Gosh, super tagal ng Grab ko. 15 minutes lang ako naghihintay. Sayang yung oras. So, pagdating ko dun, 12:45. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Remain calm. Keep calm and carry on.
Dito ma'am, sa left. Dito.
Class na nila yun. Nagkaroon na feel ko nung nung LM ako. Tagal na, no? Pa south kami mga Northeast. Ay, hindi. Vito Cruz lang siya.
Then,
Waiting for my driver. Dito ako bumababa, guys. Balintaw ako. And then, dito ko hinintay yung driver. Hi, guys. I'm already in my, you know it, Gucci Duster. Huwag niyong pagtawanan ang Gucci Duster ko kasi napaka-comfortable nito. Like, super presko niya. Super lambot niya, super. So, already 12:38 a.m. If you know me, you know that I have the worst. I used to have the worst body clock, but I'm trying to fix it nga these days kasi, girl, if I don't stop now, if I don't quit now, hospital will be seeing me very soon, very, very, very soon. So, I don't want that happening. This was such a huge help. Nakailang ganito na ako. Nakailang tubs na ako nito. And this is a new one. And I usually buy the 10 mg version. Hirap pa rin ako makatulog sa 10 mg na yun. Hindi ko alam bakit. So sabi ko, oh my gosh, tumataas na yung tolerance ko sa melatonin. Like, hindi na nag-work sa akin yung 10 mg. Kasi yung 10 mg na yun, I've experienced isang gabi na 3. So imagine, naka 30 mg ako ng melatonin. Crazy girl. Pero itong 5 mg, since ewan ko kung dahil first week ko siya na mag-melatonin na lang ulit ng 5 mg. Super effective siya. Like, 30 minutes lang, antok na talaga ako. Hindi. Tulog na talaga ako. Like, hindi siya antok. Tulog na talaga ako. Thank you, Natrol. You've been saving my life. Gagawin ko na lang na pampaantok is yung readings ko. Para medyo productive pa rin hanggang sa makatulog, diba? Thank you guys for watching. Like, super chill lang ng vlog na to. Like, just updating you with my life. My friends are just requesting for another vlog. So, okay. So, gusto kong bagong style of vlog na parang, I mean, para ka lang nanonood ng stories. Like, wala super edit. Wala super, parang vibe lang. Chill lang. FaceTime lang. Ganun. Bye guys. Good night.